Why reducing nighttime screen exposure matters.
Blue light from screens can disrupt your natural sleep cycle. Exposure to phones, TVs, or computers before bed suppresses melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. Prioritizing a nighttime routine with minimal screen time supports both your mental health and overall well-being, helping you feel more refreshed and alert in the morning.
Set a consistent digital curfew.
Choose a set time each evening to put away digital devices, ideally 1 hour before bedtime. Use this curfew as a cue to shift your focus from screens to calming, offline activities. Gradually adjusting your habits makes it easier to stick with the change and signals your body that it's time to unwind.
Create tech-free zones in your home.
Designate your bedroom as a screen-free space. Move devices like laptops and tablets out of your sleeping area, and charge your phone outside the bedroom if possible. This separation reduces temptation and trains your mind to associate your bed with rest rather than scrolling or streaming content.
Replace screens with calming activities.
Fill your pre-bedtime hours with soothing, non-digital routines. Try reading a physical book, journaling, stretching, or practicing deep breathing. Activities like these help you wind down, reduce stress, and promote better sleep without relying on a screen for entertainment or distraction.
Use mindfulness techniques to ease the transition.
Transitioning away from screens can be challenging, especially at first. Intentional mindfulness practices, such as guided meditation or gratitude exercises, can ease restlessness during this adjustment. These techniques not only reduce anxiety, but also pave the way for more restful, restorative sleep.
Make your routine sustainable.
And be patient with yourself as you adjust. Over time, minimizing screen exposure before bed will become second nature, benefiting both your mental health and quality of sleep.